Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm really excited to show a small little haul I got from a couple of small businesses. And both businesses I purchased from, I've never purchased before, so I was real excited to try them out. So the first one I have is from TTT After Dark. I purchased the items from their Etsy store, and all the items I'll show to you I'll put in the description below, if maybe some of the items I picked or to go check what their store offers. They do sell different kind of items, and I am currently in Be Artsy with Mrs. Butterdee event, and it's a tray I bought. I've never owned a diamond painting tray, so this is my first, and this one, they created this tray because they were inspired by Mrs. Butterdee, paintings and all of that. And she's one of my favorite artists, so I was more than happy to pick up the tray. So let me get everything out of the bag. The only thing I've taken out of the bag was the shipping label because, privacy. So let me check to see. Oh, I don't know what that is. I only originally ordered the tray, so I am curious. Ooh, what else is in here? Oh my goodness. I believe they might have added some gifts. I'm not sure what this is. And oh my goodness, it's so cute. They're little beads. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of little different ones. There's a little bunny one, some shells, and all of that. They're all the little butterflies. Ooh, big fan of that. Let me double check what this is. I know it's a heart shape and it's kind of heavy, so I'm assuming it's probably resin. And the tray, I believe, is resin as well. So let me see if I can kind of maybe open the little bag. Oh my goodness, this is such a nice surprise. Thank you so much for putting all of these extra items that eventually I will open. Oh, there we go. Perfect. So let me see if I can pull it out. Ooh, I really don't want to tear the bag. Oh my god. It's a really large cover minder. Oh my goodness. This is really cool. As you can see, it's kind of etched to kind of look like a diamond. And it's a nice sparkly pink. Big fan of that. And it is a really hardcore magnet. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love this. I love large cover minders a lot. I have a couple that are pretty big as well. And oh my goodness, I love this. And it's really sturdy. And yeah, I believe it is resin. Oh my goodness, I love this. Thank you so much for sending me the cover minder. Oh, it's so cute. And, just a big fan of it. And honestly, I wasn't sure what it was until I turned it around. So thank you so much for the little free gift. And I think these are just beads. Let me just open them real quick. I'm not going to pour them out because I do not know how I would be able to put them back in the bag. Or are they? Actually, I'm not sure. Oh. As you can see, there's this one, for example. It kind of looks like a little cloud with stars. As you can see, oh, this is so pretty. They're little charms, actually, now that I look at them. As you can see, it's a little cloud with stars, a little hanging star. First, I thought it was an earring. And oh, goodness, there's a whole bunch of little beads. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. You can see there's a little strawberry. There's a little butterfly. Oh, they're really small. They're so cute. I love all of these. I do purchase little beads and all of that. I do make my own little stitch markers. I'm a crocheter, so I love making little stitch markers to put for whenever, I'm crocheting. They're little markers that you hang, so you either keep the yarn from unraveling, or you keep them from, what spot you stopped on. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness, these are all so cute. Oh, I really like these. Now, I'm going to have to think of different little projects to make with them. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty. I really love this one. If I had a small magnet, actually, I wouldn't mind making it a cover minder. As you can see, it's kind of, well, now it'd be a little bit more difficult because it's a little open in the back. But it's so pretty. Thank you so much for these charms. They are just so cute. Oh, I really like all of this. And this is the tray. So, oh, a little thank you sticker. I like that. As I said, I've never owned a tray for diamond painting. I've seen people have them and all of that. And when she started putting out these trays to purchase specifically because of the event, I knew I had to pick one up. And the first time she released them, they all sold out. The second round, when she put them out, I fortunately was able to pick one up. Oh, it's nice and bubble wrapped, really secured. And oh, this is so pretty. I think it's within the bubble wrap. Oh, yeah, it is. Let me just take it out real quick. Oh, that is so cute. As you can see, it says here, be a little artsy with Mrs. Butterdy. That's the name of the event. As you can see, the whole wonderful little depth of the tray. And to my understanding, she got the okay by the artist to get several of her different images to kind of mash together to kind of make the little banner for the tray and for the event, I believe. I super apologize if I'm incorrect, but to my understanding, I do know that they got the artist approval to use the little images. And it's just some of Mrs. Butterdy's art. I originally purchased from Mrs. Butterdy's website. I have a couple of her prints coming in, so I'm so happy to show you all that when I receive it. And yeah, it's really heavy, really thick. It really makes me think of ice cream. Like old school popsicles that had different colors. When it would melt, it'd make these really pretty colors. That's what it makes me think of. And oh my goodness, it's so, so pretty. And I'm not too sure if this is just a little chip on the edge, but I don't mind. As long as the whole tray is there, I am one happy camper. Oh, it's so pretty. So I know with trays, it's usually for you to put your pens and accessories on the side, especially when you're painting. Since, apologies, I'm grabbing one of my pens. Since pens have a habit of rolling away. Oh my goodness, it's perfect. Oh, I love that. I'm going to put my little, oh, actually my really large cover minder. I love that they're matching. Oh, I really love this. It's so, so cute. And I love that it's real heavy. So I know that I won't have a problem, you know, with it just flipping over or anything like that. It's actually real heavy that I can actually put it on the painting and it'll stay put. Oh, I really, really love this tray. Oh, it's so, so pretty. And again, all the information about the store and the tray as well. I'm not too sure if she still has some on her site. I'll put all the information description below. If maybe a nice little sturdy tray is your cup of tea as well. Thank you so, so much for all the other extra goodies. Did not expect that. I really love this cover reminder. Oh, it's so cute. And so let me get the other item. I thought I brought him here in my little room, but actually I think I left it in my, I was gonna say mail room, but that's how it is. I have a little area in my living room where I put all my mail. So let me go get it and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to go looking for it, and unfortunately, I was able to find it. This small business I ordered from is Leopard Leatherworks. I ordered a pen. Oh, it's been a while since I've bought a new pen, and I had seen on they do lives whenever they do turns. They show, you know, turning of pens, how they're created, and all of that. And since I am in the Be Artsy with Mrs. Butterdy event, Diamond Pen Pal, which I've shown pens that I've purchased because I love their pens a lot, we're selling blanks that were inspired by paintings by Mrs. Butterdy. And originally I was working on Underwater Train. They had a blank, so you can kind of match the canvas. I don't usually do that. This is actually the first time I've bought a blank and sent it to a turner. And their work, Leopard Leatherworks are the sponsors. I'm sorry, they're the ones running the event. So, you know, one and one together, of course, I sent the blank to them. And so this is their turning of the pen. And oh my goodness, it's in a really secured box. It has the name of their company posted to hide, you know, my address. So, oh, there's candy. I love candy. And this is the pen. And I'm just checking. Yeah, that's it. So let me take everything out. And let's see what they put in the little goodie bag. So I see that they put a little sticker of their company name. I want to make sure to put it on my desk. Because, well, reason I'm using the light pad is so we can see the pen a lot more clearly, so you can see all the colors and everything. The blank, when I first got it, was just so pretty. So I am so excited to see what the pen looks like. I haven't seen what the pen looked like, so I'm real curious how it came out. This is their wonderful business card, Carrie Costello, and her email and the website. So if you're interested in purchasing a pen or any other items that they sell, and their social media, you can locate them. Ooh, this is so pretty. And yay, they put candy. Oh my goodness, I love Werther's original. I'm not kidding, I love this caramel. I'm a big fan of them, and this is a soft version. I think I'll eat some of these on the side, and a nice little bag to kind of close everything up. Or to keep my chocolate safe. Oh, I'm sorry, my caramel safe. And put all that aside. And let's look at the pen. Ooh, it's nice, securely bubble wrapped. Big fan of that. So this is a surprise for me too. So this, as I said, this is the first time I'm going to see it. So I'm real excited to see how it came out. Just opening everything up real quick. And oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And I love that they put it in a little secured bag. That is so pretty. And I love how that's the name of the company. So let's get the pen out. Ooh, apologies, it's really in there. And oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. As you can see, the reason I picked this blank, because when I was ordering originally, they had around 5, I believe, different blanks. And this one wasn't picked. Well, it was one of the ones, apologies, that didn't get picked. I picked this one because I love the clear. As you can see, the inside shows there's a little bit of foil in it, apologies. And it's all over the pen. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. As I said, I didn't see what the pen looks like. The neato thing about them is when I was picking how I wanted the pen to be created, they had descriptions of how the diameter of the finger rest would be around this area, because that's usually how we hold pens, and how the tip would be. So this, I chose a baseball bat, I believe that's what it was called. As you can see, it does. It looks like the bottom of a bat, which I think is really cool. I'm a baseball fan, so I kind of like the idea of it. Then they do provide videos, so if you've never ordered a custom pen, which I haven't either, I did watch those videos, and they're really informative. Apologies. So that's how I was able to pick how I wanted the pen designed. All I requested was the pen to be a little thin, because I don't like really thick pens. They hurt my hands. And oh my goodness, it is so light. Oh, this is so neat. Oh, and it's so pretty. And I love that it's a light blue in the middle. And as you can see, it does match. Let me see if I can get the little image of the painting, which I'm not sure where I put it. Oh, I think I have it here on the side. Give me a moment. Apologies, I actually have it in. Oh, here it is. Sorry for the dramatic pause. So this was the original painting I chose for the event, Underwater Train. And this blank, ooh, apologies, I picked up something on the side. There we go. And this is the pen that matches the canvas. Oh my goodness, it does. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. And I love the blue because it, it represents underwater, because it's an underwater train. And the teal and the peach color, the purple. Oh my goodness, these colors are so pretty. And this pen is so comfortable, and it's so light. I'm a big fan of that. I'm going to see if I can find my tips, because they do not send them with a tip. So you get to decide, whether you're going to use it as a multi-placer or use it with single placers. Apologies, I moved away. So I'm not sure where my tips went. Actually, give me a moment. Let me go locate them. Okay, sorry about that. I had to really look for the pen tip. So these are my cat ear tips that I have shown before. Big fan of them. should have no problem popping in. Ooh, perfect. No issue at all. And I'm just going to use... Ooh, I thought I had a multi-placer here. I'm going to use a plastic multi-placer because I own a lot of these. It's a Diamond Art Club multi-placers I save whenever I do unboxings. And oh my goodness, it's perfect. Oh, that is so comfortable. And apparently the baseball tip, sorry, I forgot what it was called, baseball bat tip. Apparently it's supposed to assist you because myself, I found out I'm actually a hard presser. But I'm a hard presser with squares. I have no idea why. And it's been hurting my arm and my wrist recently. And it's recommended this kind of tip assists you because you can see when I put my finger on it, it really helps on if I'm going to press. I don't have to be pressing so much pressure because this little part is kind of assisting whenever I'm pressing. Oh my goodness, it's just so pretty. And I am so happy I went with this style. That I know I am going to buy some more. I'm flat out saying it. It's so pretty. And I support small businesses. So I love that they're putting out these wonderful products. And now I feel comfortable actually buying a blank and sending it to a turner. I've been wanting to do that for a while. I have not done that. I have purchased pens that have already been turned. You know, and you just purchase it. Never had one where I pick the blank and send it. You know, you start from the beginning. I'm really excited, and it was so easy, and it came out exactly the way I wanted it. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm going to say that a bunch of times. I love this pen. So my next whip and chat, you're going to see this pen again. Okay, you're going to probably see this pen a lot. I'm a big fan. So, and it does. I'm so impressed that it matches it perfectly with the canvas. Oh, big fan. And I'm going to say it a bunch of times. So let me get the tray again. And there you go. Perfect. Oh, that is so cute together. It matches the tray too. As you can see, the beautiful coloring for both. Big fan of that. Oh, let me take it off of that. As you can see, and I believe that's the point of the tray. As you saw, it tried to roll when I did that and it stopped it. Oh, that is so... I'm actually going to paint after I'm done with this video because that is so pretty. And I'll let y'all know how much I love this pen after I've used it for several hours, because I mean, come on, we're diamond painters. It's going to be several hours. And all the information of these wonderful stores I'll put in the description below. If maybe any of these items I showed today, you'd really love them as well. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you could do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond painting accessories we love to use. Apologies, I had to figure out the wording. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.